You out front?
Yes, it looks like I just got here.
Okay, I'll be right down. Thanks.
Sounds good. Bye-bye. Hi, how you doing? Oh, okay, do you have the keys for it?
I do.
All right.
But it's unlocked.
It's unlocked already?
Yeah.
Do you have the spare tire for it?
I don't know. I assume so. It's a rental.
Oh, it's a rental?
Yeah, and
Got it.
sent you. It just took like an hour for them to send somebody. Actually, more like 2.
Got it.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
So I would assume it's in here, but
Yeah, it should be
I've
in
never
here.
used it.
Got it. Yep, it is in here. All right, let's get it out and get it replaced. I hope it has, yeah, it has air.
Crazy thing is I'm about ready to take it back. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But
All right. Let's see. Oh, no, I can just give you a call once I'm done with it. Yeah, so you don't have to wait for me.
yeah, it's a little crispy.
Yeah, you're good. Uh-huh. Okay, it looks like it's ready. So I'm not sure if you want to come check it out or if you're okay with just the.
I'll come check it out and put the car in the garage. I'll
Sounds
be right
good.
there.
Okay, that works. All right, bye-bye. All right, so it's ready. We go like 50 miles per hour. So yeah, try not to drive it too much. And then so I put the other tire on the back.
Okay.
So yeah, that one wasn't gonna fit like under it.
That's
so
fine.
I just put it on top.
That's okay.
And then so it'll
right,
be easier
thank
for them. Yeah, not a problem. And then let me get you a couple business cards just in case if you ever need a tow or anything.
Great,
All right,
thanks.
all right. You have a good one. Thank you.